there, Samurai. It's DavinchyFX. Let's get straight to it. So coming into the market, few minutes to London session opening, I had this. Today is a bank holiday, right, in the United States. So there is a likelihood that there will be a lot of slowiness and low volume in the market. So London session might have little volume, but New York session volume will be quite low, but at that still we still have a setup, right? So coming to the market, EURUSD, we had this point of interest marked, but I did not get confirmation, but the sell was going perfectly, but I did not believe in it, right? Then coming in this morning, the market flipped bullish, giving us this break above this previous structural high. So now this point of interest marked, if price break this high, then this point of interest becomes invalid, but for now this is where I'm looking to buy from based on confirmation on EURUSD. Moving on to the next page, GBPUSD. So coming into the markets, so I had this analysis on my YouTube channel, which I marked out for everyone. So this was my point of interest, right? And if you can go back to my page, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to get notified whenever I post any other of my setups coming into the market, because I post setup almost every single day on each of my setup where I'm looking to either buy or sell from. So now I marked out this point of interest, and when price got to it, I got a confirmation. You can see this is a 1:17.71 setup. You can see how beautiful that went. So price did not hit TP before Friday close, but coming in to on Monday morning, that's market opening this morning, let's say Sunday's night stroke this morning, right? Price gave us what? TP it was somewhere here before Friday closed though. So you can see how beautiful this is. You can see how beautiful this is. You can see how perfect it is. You can see, right? So 1:17.71 setup. So now I had this analysis marked. I was formerly looking to buy from here, but now that this zone has been invalidated, why? Because price gave us a valid pullback, then gave us a change of character. So now I marked out this zone this morning. I am not looking to take it, right? Why? Because it is happening in the Asian session. It's few minutes to London session, but I don't trade Asian session. So there is a likelihood for it to play out based on market structure. But for me, I don't trade Asian session, I will trade London session. So you can see it is selling already, but I'm not looking to take it. So if this low gets taken out and London session comes in, I'll be waiting towards. If this low get broken below, this will be my new point of interest to sell from. But for now, GBPUSD is strongly bearish. Moving on to the next page, GBPCAD. So GBPCAD is solidly bullish, as you can see. It is solidly bullish still. It gives us another BS to the upside. So this will be my new point of interest to buy from, if I am looking to buy. But for now, GBPCAD is looking but bearish. If I get a confirmation in this one, then I'll be looking to buy. So moving on to the next page, USDCAD. So for USDCAD, it is still solidly bullish. It is solidly bullish. This is my point of interest marked. Price did not break above the high, so this will be our point of interest on this pair. So until we see otherwise, we'll be looking towards react over prediction. So moving on to the next page, USDCHF. So for USDCHF, it has been strongly bearish, and you can see the massive sales from here. Pullback. We were looking to sell from here, but price gave us a shallow retracement, but it was a valid one, right? Then I marked out this point of interest to sell from, but another BS happened. So you need to have a valid pullback rule. So a lot of people this is not a valid pullback, but for me, based on my rule and how my system works, it is a perfect pullback. So a BOS now, if price takes out this low, you can see price is selling perfectly. If price takes out this low, my new point of interest will be marked. So there's a likelihood this pair might even flip bullish, but we are not looking to trade based on sentiment. We are looking to trade based on what market structure is telling us. But for now, London session is only only the session we trade. So moving on to the next pair is XAUUSD, which happens to be gold. So now gold has been strongly bearish for me since a while now, and you can see it gives us a reaction from my zone, but at the same time I only trade London session. So if I want to trade this pair, I'll be waiting for London session I manipulated. I mean Asian I manipulation, sorry, by London. Then I'll be getting a confirmation. So I'm not looking to do anything on this pair yet until London comes in, sweep this I, gives me a confirmation. Then I will look to sell this paper. For now, gold is strongly bearish. You can see gold is strongly bearish. Gold, I only want to sell above this high. I only want to sell gold from here, and I don't want it breaking the structural high. So that is that on this pair. Moving on to the next pair. For crypto traders, crypto traders will be moving perfectly. Like nothing is affecting it. Crypto is not affected by it in any way. So now, price was bullish. I feel bullish on this pair. I was formerly looking to sell from here. I got all the confirmation I needed. Price was already selling then, but it got invalidated. That's fine by me because change of character is the only thing you cannot predict in the forex market. So now I had this. So now I marked out this high. Was formerly looking to buy from here, but you can see price broke above the high. This is not a valid pullback to me. So for now, this will be my what? Where will be our structural high? Let's see. So this will be my structural high. It gave me a valid pullback, meeting my rules. So you need to have a rule for everything you are doing in the forex market. So now this is my structural high. This is my point of interest marked. If this high does not get closed above, then this zone remains valid. But if this high gets closed above, then this zone becomes invalid. Moving on to the next pair is ETHUSD. So ETHUSD is still solidly bearish, and if I'm looking to sell this pair, I will only look to sell above Asian I. So I need this manipulation of this I, then any confirmation above this I will do. So if you need sure signals of how my exact entry of every of my pairs, let me see you in the comment section. Comment my Telegram. Just say entries, like perfect entries, or Telegram, so I'll be able to send you my link for my perfect entries on how I enter into every setup. So see you a lot in the next video.